how to hide or disable Telegram story. So if you want to hide or disable Telegram story, then what you need to do. So in my case, I've just added a story. Now, if you want to hide or disable your Telegram story, then what you need to do is just simply tap and hold on to the story of the person of whom you would like to hide or disable. And then you will get two options. One is open channel and the other one is hide stories. So in order to hide stories, you can select hide stories and the person's stories will be hidden. Now, if you want to unhide that person's story, then you need to tap and hold on to that profile of that person. And then you will find an option of unhide stories. In this way, you will be able to hide or unhide Telegram stories. Or you can go with your story and go with the top right, which has that three dots. And then go with who can see. And here you can select only the selected users or close friends or my contacts or everyone. You can go and select those and then go and save the settings. And that's it. That's how you can hide or disable Telegram stories. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.